never really there. When shadows turn to light and hope into despair, there wasn't only one, but the brooding skies above brought down a shameful stain, and not a single drop of cleaning rain. Well, let me say, oh, well, there's no place left to hide. Oh, from the loneliness inside. The road to you is paved right through with bloody good intentions, and missing you is like kissing cyanide. Well, in this world of things, one of them is lost. I've been in my dreams, but not without a cost. Now the